So on video part 2, there was a comment about the head not working the proper way. Sometimes it works, sometimes it didn't. So I have been in contact with tech support, with Pinball brothers, great guys, so helpful. And we tried new software, beta coding, and here on Messenger, updating and trying different stuff. Great support from the guys. We found out about this switch. I just unscrewed everything. This switch, guys, actually, when we got it, it's here in the middle. And the way it should be placed is actually like this. So I will try to bend this switch. Now, as you can see, this is a middle bracket here, so I can't just, screw in some new holes, but I think that if I just bend this so it lays here, then the tongue works every time when I calibrate in the menu. And back here, it's every second. Ja, det er fint det der. Jeg prøver, men... So, let me just give it a go and see how it reacts. Alright guys, let's take a closer look here. As you can see, now I have bent the switch. So if you have it, you shouldn't have this problem, but now it's bent, and if I push this, don't do this, but if I push it just a tad, inactive, active. So the switch activates the same second I push. From the fabric, it was, in the middle. That's why in my video part 2 that the head worked sometimes and sometimes it didn't. But now let's start a game and see and start multiple 2 times and see that it just works every time. Alright guys, we are ready to test the head now. I'm gonna shoot it manually a couple of times, and when the mode starts, this magnet have to grab the ball, the tongue will come out, and the multi-ball ambush mode will start. So let's just give it a go.
So you may have figured out we're not
PP-70 handgun.
Alright. The magnet is powerful. Nice. Love that screaming sound.
Egg destroyed. 2 xenomorphs remain.
Nice. The mouth works fine. 2 shots remaining.
1 xenomorph to go.
Great. So, time for the test now.
Cut the power, man! They're animals!
Race 18 meters. Morning, love.
The magnet is great. Grab the ball. Let's try to make all the shots here on ambush mode. Gonna finish off a display mode. Okay, check out the display, guys.
Gotta get it, babe!
And it's time for the super jackpot now.
Let's blow!
17 meters.
Come on!
And then you can keep on and do it again.
Look out!
13 meters.
Come on!
And this you know, this animation from the movie where all the aliens are getting closer and closer, that effect, we had it down there. That's what I was talking about on the earlier videos. So you have it right on your viewing angle, that pulsing
Continue
signal.
mission.
It's a great effect. So yeah, the head works fine now, guys. Isn't that just great? Just a
Skill shot awarded.
so we have made a small adjustment, and I just got the latest firmware update. Again, the guys from Pinball Brothers, they're just so helpful. They're so serious. They just want to send out perfect products, guys.
Xenomorphs remain.
Isn't this just great? Yeah.
They mostly come at night, mostly.
Mostly. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I wish you all a great day out there.